Hi, my name is Nadine Peary and I am the curator of the Swakopmund Museum. We are celebrating Heritage Week 2022 with the theme Unity and Diversity. And today I will be telling you the story of this real Oxwagon. The Oxwagon was built around 1920 in Angola. The owner of the Oxwagon, he was able to receive this Oxwagon because he transported Millis to the Catholic mission station. During 1929, they settled in Southwest Africa. So that wagon was used to transport the whole family and their belongings to then Southwest Africa. They had special oxen, and what was amazing is they knew each ox by their individual name. The wagon later on also served as their home until their house was built. Later, the wagon was used to transport poles for the fences, but then it was replaced by a donkey cart. When it was replaced by the donkey cart, the ox wagon became a storage place for bones and horns so that they could manufacture bone meal. Many years later, in 1962, when Swakopmund turned 70 years old, they needed an ox wagon. So that original ox wagon made its way to Swakopmund by train so that it could take part in the festivities. After the festivities, the ox wagon was permanently homed in the Swakopmund Museum.